Are you okay?
No! So guys, we're actually going pretty nicely.
Oh my throat.
Like you're seeing right now, we're going perfectly fine. Nothing has happened because our pilot isn't trash and crashes the plane every day.
Me? We need to get rid of these two. Hopefully we don't crash this
We're
time.
crashing. Wait, no.
No, we're not.
We're fine. Alright, I think we're getting a little bit too high. Alright, this thing is.
I got rid of one in the back. We're going down. Going down. I got one. We're going down. Mayday! Mayday!
Don't worry, it's gonna be fine.
Oh no, we're good.
Got that one.
We're good. Wait, what?
Okay, we're fine.
We're going up again.
Don't worry, I'll fix it later. Oh no, you're turning the wrong way. Turn. Sharp.
That way? This way?
This way, yes.
This way?
No, turn. Front. Oh my god, you're going the wrong way.
This way is the way I'm going, right?
No. You're going the wrong way.
I'm going the way you said I should go.
Alright, now you're good. Alright, too high up, too high.
But I can't see.
Me either. Let me zoom on. Let's see what's happening right now. Oh no. We're in the trees. We need to go down.
I can't go.
We're down.
Okay, I can see. Okay, get rid of some in the front. We're going down.
Quick.
Ah!
Okay, that was a nice save. We landed.
Mm-hmm.
We land. Let me zoom out now. Let's see where we are. We're still in the trees.
How do we get out?
Alright, go forward.
I can't.
Alright, guys, we're recording this.
How do we go up?
Day 3 of being lost.
Shut up, it's day 2, idiot.
It's not even day 1.
I...
It's like minute 5 of being lost. Alright.
Oh no, wait, stop moving.
I can see.
We go up.
Right,
when you go up, more.
The map is showing us where we are. Turn left.
Hold on, wait, we need to get up first. Alright, turn which way?
First, just fly forward.
No, first we need to fly up. So we need all of the balloons.
Fly down.
No, up!
No, down.
Why?
Actually, yeah, fly up.
Activate all the balloons.
Alright, there's one more. Wait, no, let's go good. We're not going too hot. Okay.
Oh, sorry.
We have control. We're getting control, guys.
Okay. We're going up.
We're slowly going up, guys.
See that? We'll be right back when we're out of the trees. Do you think they heard that?
No.
They definitely didn't hear that.
Go.
Hi guys, we're out of the trees. Finally.
Now, which way do we go now? Alright, go forward. No, you're going out of the map.
Huh?
We're out of the map now.
Turn.
Yes, turn. Now fly. Fly forward. Just fly forward. That's literally all you have to do. If you can't do this, you are the worst pilot in the world.
I didn't even take a driving test.
Yes, I know. Turn forward. You're going the wrong way. You're going the
I see. Wait, I think I see the.
Yes, you can see it, but you're going the opposite way.
No, we're there.
We're good.
Get rid of 2 balloons in the back. Now get rid of 2 balloons in the front.
No. That's outside of the map. Just keep going forward. No.
This isn't outside of the map. But get rid of 2 balloons in the front.
Okay. We're going good.
2 balloons in the front.
1, 2. Why is it not popping? 1.
Oh, because those are my balloons. Stop.
I accidentally played everything.
I'll turn it off.
Now just keep going.
Wait, I can't turn that one off.
Don't worry, I'll do it.
We need to go down. We're going up still.
Alright, got rid of that one.
No, you
Now
didn't.
we're lost.
No, I know where we are.
Mushroom.
There.
Oh, no, turn this way.
Hold on, wait. Let me get rid of the ones in the middle. Or I will.
Guys.
Go this way. Okay.
Bro, the cherries that are growing on my forehead are popping. I just keep going. Just keep going. We're good. We're good. Okay? We're Gucci, guys.
We're Gucci. We're Gucci.
Alright, we're fine. Alright. So guys, we got out of the jungle and everything's going perfectly fine.
Perfectly fine! Huh?
Golf ball. Just keep going. Just keep going. Don't stop. Don't stop.
I'm trying to go fast. Gotta go fast. Gotta go faster.
Alright, we're fine. Now we're out of the golf ball stage.
We're
We're almost in the end.
We're doing good, guys. We're halfway there.
Oh no! That's
No! One of our balloons got gone.
Oh no! This isn't good. This isn't good.
Oh!
Propeller! We lost the propeller.
Nope. Oh, we can't move.
Guys, we're stranded. Alright. Mayday! Eject! All balloons down!
Wait, the balloons can fly us there. I know way. No! Balloons! Bring up the balloons! The balloons are actually moving us. See?
Dude, we're gonna keep going forward, and we're gonna make it to the end.
Okay, guys. This has been the scariest thing ever. Don't worry. Wow! Be safe! Your head's gone. Why's your hair so flat?
That's what I said last time. Let me activate the balloons. Come on, guys. We're taking off.
Okay. Don't take off anymore.
No.
No, because we can't move.
We lost the balloon.
Take off.
We can't. There's too much damage in the mainframe. We can't lift up anymore. We can't.
Shut up. I'm gonna. Oh! My balloon! No! My
Goodbye.
Yeah, Sheriff! If I die, we die together! Oh my god!
It's way forward.
What?
Oh yeah, that's because we didn't hit any blocks.
Oh. Oh wait, we can do a quest. Should we do it?
Yeah. Wait, before you do that.
Ooh, find me quest. Because it's 450. Yeah, but it's good. Oh, I found one. I found the first one.
Just wait. I need to fix my. Alright, dynamic thumbstick. Alright, now where's the?
I found the first one. I have to collect the first one first, though.
Have to tap it.
No, I have to step on it. Oh, I have to tap it? Yeah, I have to tap it. Yep. What's the second one? Look everywhere. Split it up.
Up there.
Oh, I can get up there with my blocks. Actually, we don't need blocks.
Last time I had a jetpack and it was been much easier to get up here.
You have a jetpack?
Yeah.
I don't think we can build out here. Yeah, wait, yeah, we can.
Yeah, we can.
Let me up here. Alright, I'm up. What was it again?
The main house. And
you said it was over there.
Dumb.
Alright, guys, I'll see you in the third video.